I didn't make a video this morning because this morning was a lot busier than I expected it to be. So now I'm just going to make a short video talking about the grammar that I just used. So this morning was busier than I expected it to be. That means that maybe I expected it to be this busy. And if you don't know what expect means that you think something will be this way. So I thought that I would be this busy, but actually I was this busy. It was more than I expected. So you can use this for different things. Maybe you try a new food and you think it's going to be a little bit spicy. You think it's going to be about this spicy, but you eat it and it's this spicy. You could say, wow, this food is a lot spicier than I expected it to be.